May nakita akong remote job that pays up to $1,000 per month, full-time at totally work from home. And the cool part, it's open for applicants in the Philippines and globally. And if nasa ibang bansa ka rin and you're looking for a legit remote job opportunity, this might be for you. And no, it's not a scam or some quick rich job. Legit ang company ito, legit pay, and you can apply today. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kath, na kung saan maghahunting tayo at magbibigay ako ng mga ideya where to find side hustle, home-based jobs, at magbibigay ako ng mga tips, tools, at lahat-lahat na ng pagiging isang virtual assistant. And if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga next upload ko.
Okay, so the website where I found this opportunity is called Sagan Recruitment, or simply Sagan. So Sagan is not your typical job board. There's an exclusive membership community for top executives, founders, and CEOs who want to hire international talent. So basically, they connect skilled professionals from countries like Philippines, Latin America, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and even Africa to US-based businesses. So kahit saan ka man sa world, basta may internet, may skills at dedication ka, pwede kang makahanap ng legit remote job here. Now, i-click nyo lang itong Join Now. So ito po yung mga careers, mga opportunities, mga job posted nila. So, meron silang different sectors from admin, construction, creative, customer, and so on. So, makikita nyo din kung ano yung mga countries na hinahanap nila. So, kasi nandito tayo sa Philippines, so hanapin natin yung mga job posted na for Filipinos. So, now, let's talk about one of their latest openings. Itong si Remote Administrative Assistant. So, meron nakalagay dito na Philippines only. So, these are for Filipinos. Ang kagandahan sa website na ito kasi napaka-informative. So, makikita nyo na lahat dito ang kailangan or information about sa job opportunity na ito. So, this is a full-time job. Okay, makikita ito full-time remote job. And the salary ranges from $800 to $1,000 per month. Okay, this is an independent contractor position. Makikita nyo dito yung company overview and yung position overview. So here, you basically become the organizational hub for executives. So meaning, ikaw yung mag-aasikaso ng mga admin tasks, schedules, and documents para everything runs smoothly. So some of the daily tasks include data entry, document management, time and task organization, communication using Google Workspace or MS Office, and also basic bookkeeping. So if you're someone who loves organization, multitasking, and working independently, this role fits you perfectly. So now let's talk about the qualification. So yung qualifications nila should have a previous admin experience, so helpful pero not required. So must have a strong attention to detail, good time management, familiar with Google Workspace or MS Office, and of course, reliable and self-motivated. So yun yung talaga kailangan if you are a freelance or mga virtual assistant. So nice to have then the following. We have there a bit of bookkeeping or may previous remote job admin experience. So here are the submission guides. So you need to submit your resume as a text-based PDF file, not scanned, not Word formats. So you also need to submit a short introductory video in English. So be confident, smile, and highlight your best skills. So kung gusto mo talagang mapansin, you need to make your video warm, natural, and show na marami kang or marunong kang mag-manage ng time at task. So here, what's really nice about Sagan is that they are not just posting random jobs. So they actually create top talents and connect them with high-performing companies. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo going back to their careers. So hindi siya like typical freelancing platforms. So it's more of a community for serious professionals who want to grow their career and earn in dollars while working remotely. So, and if you're watching this from outside the Philippines, don't worry kasi si Sagan also hires from the different parts of the world. Gaya ng ipinakita ko kanina, o gaya nito. So kahit nasa Asia ka, Africa, or Latin America, may chance ka rin makapasok dito. You can check this out. Hiring companies, dito makikita yung mga companies na nag-join dito sa Sagan Recruitment. So balikan natin dito. So if interested ka sa remote administrative assistant role, so you need to go to saganrecruitment.com/career. Ilalagay ko din ito sa description box below or sa comment section. And then just click apply now. This one. So you need to upload it. Try natin i-click yan para you will have an overview. Apply for this job. Okay. So and then here are the informations na kailangan mo i-supply. So you need to upload your resume, a text of your resume here, and then your 60-second introduction, your LinkedIn profile if you have. You can also upload your resume here, and then your portfolio link. And then where do you hear this job? So you can, okay, here, social media, Facebook, ganyan. So meron mga referrals, so hindi natin kilala sila. You just put social media, ganon, and then so, fill up nyo lang dito yung mga kailangan, yung mga tanong nila, and then submit. So, yun na.
That's it, mga hunters. A legit remote job opportunity that pays up to $1,000 per month and a community that connects you to global opportunities. If you want more of these videos featuring legit remote jobs and work from home jobs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Also, you can follow my TikTok account and Facebook account for more hiring tips at saka mga hiring updates. Thank you for watching!